Jutuocnc High-Speed Engraving and Milling Machine G6B. The machine body is made of mehanite cast iron. The fine particle structure possesses high physical properties. Body water filtration system, double-layer chip separation with automatic water circulation. Main electrical components, imported from the French brand Schneider. G6B uses the Weihong system. The interface is user-friendly, reliable, and easy to learn. Direct drive BT30, 30,000 RPM high-speed spindle. Uses 32 mm precision-grade ball screws from Highwind and PMI. Enhances machining accuracy and stability. The 3-axis linear guideways use 25 mm roller guides from Highwind and PMI, which are based in Taiwan, China. Multifaceted cutting. Carousel Type 10T servo tool magazine for quick and precise tool changes. Each machine undergoes rigorous testing with high-precision instruments such as laser interferometers, ball bar testers, and dynamic balance instruments before leaving the factory, ensuring reliable CNC machining and auxiliary functions for our customers.